Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hulu app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down and you find Hulu app as you see and you click. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.